Those are the two pictures there on your television screens of the new 500 note variant with the differences in color and also printing defect, where the Reserve Bank of India has clarified that it is likely that these notes with printing defect got released due to the current rush. Aditya Ananthanarayanan is joining me live from the national capital. Aditya, take us through the various defects that have been pointed out and what confusion that it is causing amongst people.
Well, in fact, there are almost 9 printing errors in this new variant of the 500 currency, which has now come out in the market. In fact, the RBI has come out and clarified that there is a printing defect, which is a major embarrassment for the RBI as well, because given the cash crunch, given the urgency of printing new currencies, that is the new 500 and 2000 rupee currency, there has been a lot of confusion that has been created by this particular note, which has now been circulated in the market. 9 particular errors in the new currency notes that have come out. We can see a double image of one profile side of Mahatma Gandhi, which is printed on there. The numbers which are written right at the bottom of that particular note, we can see a difference on that as well. On the left hand side corner, we can see some kind of difference as far as the images that are being printed on the notes are concerned. So these are amongst the almost 9 printing errors that are there in the new 500 rupee currency notes, which are now there at the market. In fact, in a clarification, the Reserve Bank of India has come out and said that this might be because of the urgency of printing new notes. This might be because of the cash crunch that is there. There is enough pressure on the printing press also at this point of time, given the fact that there is still not enough new 500 and 2000 rupee currency notes that are in the market at this point. In fact, the RBI has also said that any person who has this new variant, this new errored note, can now either exchange it from the RBI counters or can use it for further transactions.